Thanks for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Rebecca Chung.
And I'm David George. Well, we've had excessive wind today with the gusts reaching over 50 miles per hour, and that can be problematic.
Yeah, we definitely felt it earlier today. Right now, most of the state is under a wind advisory. Officials recommend securing all loose objects, especially outdoor furniture and decorations, and watch for crosswinds while driving. Tonight, state officials are warning of a higher risk for wildfires due to dry conditions.
Yeah, I was kind of surprised at how much my SUV was moving
Yeah.
on the highway. It was getting tossed around just a bit, so we may see strong wind for another day before a front arrives.
Yeah, we're also tracking storm chances this week, so let's get the latest from Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Yeah, tomorrow's really going to be the one chance for some stronger thunderstorms as the cold front moves into the area. The wind will be strong all the way through the night into the daytime tomorrow as well. And we're on the warm side of this front with temperatures right now into the lower 80s. It's been warm all throughout the day. A lot of cloud cover, though, still moving through. We've seen periods of sunshine, but now a lot of cloud cover kind of making a return for the late afternoon and evening hours as southerly wind 18 miles per hour at Topeka, 28 though for Emporia and Junction City, both 33 miles per hour at Concordia. And then you look at the gusts hitting 52 miles per hour at Concordia, down from the 40s to the upper 30s on the wind speeds for gusts currently in the Topeka area. Cloud cover will continue to build in, but more so as we head into the daytime tomorrow. As a storm system is brewing, moving into the region, we're under an enhanced risk for severe weather. Hail, wind, possibly some tornadoes developing in the region. It's all going to depend on what kind of thunderstorms roll through. Will they be isolated storms or will they be one solid line? Solid lines don't rotate as well, and that tends to limit the risk of severe storms in the form of tornado risk, but it doesn't necessarily take away the other storm threats, especially it doesn't take away wind when they line up. Watch in the morning as the front arrives, some mainly non-severe storms before noon in the northwestern counties with some cooler air. And then as it moves to the east and hits that warmer air, we'll see a lot more of these strong to severe thunderstorms. They'll continue to move off to the east and will gradually dry out through the evening. I'll talk a little bit more about these storm threats for tomorrow coming up.